So today I'm going to pitch Unity. Unity is a complete interactive content platform. By complete interactive content platform, what I mean is its users can create interactive contents like games, interactive broadcasting, multiplayer games, industrial prototyping, and VFX using its various tools. And then they can use Unity Asset Store to buy or sell them. When they are making a product, they can use Unity Analytics to get user feedback and make the product scalable. They can use Unity ads to scale the product and acquire millions and millions of users. And they can use Unity ads, Unity IAP, and Unity mediation to monetize its users. It is all the tools mentioned here is some of the tools of Unity. Its revenue is divided into three categories: create, operate, and partnerships. Its revenue has been growing by over 30% from 2018, and it spends more than 50% of its revenue in research and development. Right now, it is running on net loss. Its bear cases are competition, legalities, dependence on customer success, wrong expectations from metaverse, and its bull cases are metaverse. I think metaverse is going to be here in 5 to 10 years, and it is going to increase the demand in interactive content. And Unity is situated in such a place where it can be the market leader. Second one is mediation. I think mediation right now is being underplayed. And as you can see from previous slides as well, Operate brings most amount of revenue for Unity, and mediation will help Unity to bring more and more customers to its ad business, and hence increasing the revenue. Industrial, I think industrial is not being tapped by Unity properly right now, but with recent partnerships with IBM, BMW, Audi, Nike, they are going into that market as well. Last but not the least, I think best thing about Unity is it plays really long game, meaning it provides a lot of value before monetizing the user. So its user base is really sticky. My prediction for its potential return is quite attainable. Unlike other stocks, it has a return potential of 300 to 600%. Last but not the least, I think metaverse is going to be here in 5 to 10 years, and metaverse is going to be a gold rush. Unity will be selling servers during the gold rush. So as an investor, why not buy the server? Thank you.
Do you think the metaverse, as they describe it, the real-time 3D world, is that actually on the near horizon, or do you think that's more of like a 2030 kind of thing? Hard to wrap my head around. I've got an Oculus and stuff. When I'm in that, it's as real as it can be. But other than VR, I don't really feel anything on the personal level, any kind of metaverse to see that. Like,
for sure, I think it's way closer than that we imagine. I don't know if you know about Metacast, where you can see UFC fight like with different angles. It feels like you are right there. So I think it's way more closer than what we are imagining.
Hey, thanks. Great pitch. Love Unity. So Unity is currently number one in terms of the majority of games are built on the Unity engine. So if the majority of games are built on the Unity engine currently, if it already has that much market share, how do you expect it to continue growing at a 30% CAGR through the rest of this decade?
Really nice question. I think the thing where we get it wrong is Unity is not just a game engine, but it is an interactive content platform. And with its acquisition of Weta, I think it will attract more and more content creators like 3D artists, animators, visual effect artists. I think will increase its TAM by like $30 billion. So like a lot of users will come. Customers will come from there, and when the metaverse hype gets a lot real and big companies start investing in it, more and more content creators will come to Unity. So that's how they will increase the revenue.
Yeah, for me, the main question is that, like Tyler pointed out, the mobile market is kind of saturated with their games. Is there any big competitors that could take them on in this metaverse thingy that you're talking about? I mean, we know the big FB person is standing right there. So
I think the only competition for Unity in metaverse is Unreal Engine. Apart from that, I don't think they have any other competition, including Roadblocks or any other platform. And what significant advantage they have over Unreal Engine is their pricing model. Big corporations don't like to pay a lot of money and on the Unreal Engine takes cut from revenue, whereas Unity doesn't. So that's what I meant when I told Unity likes to play long game.